Hi everyone, I'm Abhay Shenoy. I'm the co-convener of Sportscom in TAPME. So, as you can see, this committee has a lot of things to do in campus, and we have 4 courts, beautiful courts in this courts area where people enjoy themselves, and it's an amazing stress buster, and I love running this committee. So the major tasks of this committee involve organizing sports, the major sports event which is called Speed, and Speed happens during the months of winter, and it's an amazing festival because we have around 8 to 10 sports where people from our college participate and have a lot of fun. And it usually happens after placements are done and all academic stress is over, and it's one of the things that unites the entire campus, and I love running it. So the major things that I've learned from this committee is how to be a leader, proper leader, and lead something in which people are very passionate about. Sports is something which I am passionate about, I have a lot of knowledge about, but I'm not a sports person by general. So when I run a committee of sports people, I know what passion they carry, how much work ethic they have, and it is an amazing experience for me. And as a fresher, it was a leadership experience for me too. So it helps me in the placement process, also helps me develop my personality, and gives me more confidence and style also. So another thing that it affected my academic performance as well, because I can actually have a practical knowledge of what is happening in the committee. Because a lot of subjects of our MBA curriculum, like operations, finance, we get to use it hands-on, because we have a financial balance sheet for our committee, we have inventory management for our committee, we have communication skills used, we have a lot of other aspects of business used in the committee, and we know the protocol and how to run it. So I think it's a valuable experience being part of a committee, and especially sports where I have a lot of passion. And one more thing I like to say about is what all we want to communicate to the student body. We are a committee who like to do the stress busting for the MBA students. MBA is a very, in my view, it's a very stressful course. People come here for 2 years, and it's a crash course. A lot of subjects learned, a lot of subjects unlearned, and actually there's a lot of pressure to get placed. So in this, among all this, sports happens to be one of the major stress busters, and we want sports to be free for everyone. Free as in freedom. We don't want sports to put any sort of pressure on them. There's no pressure for trophies, there's no pressure for participation. Sportscom works solely for the betterment of the community. It's like a welfare community for in a fun way. So I like to conclude by saying that Sportscom has a philosophy of offering themselves for the community. We'll do whatever the community wants. The student community asks us for matches, they ask us for exhibition games, they ask us to do the hold 11 or 11 cricket matches. We do it all for them. We want the community to actually benefit from our activities, and it is a very satisfying experience for us.